Yo, yo, yo. Larry Lots in the spot. I'm back to another stream, man. Let's see. Yo, yo, yo. Larry Lots in the spot. I'm back to another stream, man. Let's see. Yo, yo, yo. Larry Lots in the spot. I'm back to another stream, man. Let's see. Yo, yo. Some slight technical difficulties today. Not exactly as prepared as I need to be. Alright, good. We got it now. Alright, did be good. Now, I started a little late. Make this chat wider. We can put the chat over here. Now, see, all them times I was complaining about the YouTubers not paying attention to their chat, I can see it's not as simple as I thought it was. Okay, put the chat here. All right, now 1, 2. Oh, this would have been a perfect trade right here. Sheesh. Not really though, because you gotta take it to the first leg. If you get a down up, you can take it higher. Down up is just a double bottom. Don't mind my trading jargon. Duplicate. Actually, might have been 2 zones lower. You need a 5 zone to touch. One hour. let's see. We're definitely behind on the analysis for today. We had news at 8:30. That's what this big candle right here is. Tried to break structure there. Hold up, actually. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? It looks like it tapped here. All right, I need to delete all these. Delete, save. It looks like it tapped here. All right, I need to delete all these. Delete, save. On an hourly, looks great. On a 5 minute, looks like it's giving some good movement. On a 15, on a 5 minute too. Probably missed it, to be honest. I would prepare. I woke up at 8. It's like 5 today. I don't remember. It was sometime right after 8. I wanted to go to the gym, I wanted to run. Actually, the only thing I actually did was 75 squats, 75 push-ups, 75 crunches. Still got 25 more each to do. Let me see, this is the 9:45 candle. It's 9:50. Okay, so that means this candle just closed. I think this was an entry right here. It's my fault for not being prepared though. 88, I think it went to 1.5. That'd be crazy. One, I'd have to take 2. I'd have to 2, 4 buy. Alright. I just entered a buy right here. Continuation pattern. Ideally, should have been right here. So 1 to 1.5 would be right here, which is basically the highs. So, and I'd be able to do 81.60, 320, 320. But now my risk is, oh, I did 2. Hold on, my risk is too high. That's 200 itself. I was supposed to do 1. Oh, see. Now when you realize you did the wrong thing, because look, my stop loss is 90, 99.75. When you realize you did the wrong thing, it's like, all right, do I close now so I could do the right thing? Because I'm trying to be risking less than 300. Or do it's like, do I think I'm going to win? So I just do the wrong thing. I didn't do the right thing. I'm trying to pass these evals, which also doesn't really help. Because look, I'm risking that much. My R to R, you can't even see. My R to R is terrible right now. because I'm supposed to be risking 2 something, and I got in late, and now I'm risking, like, if I'm trying to go for 1 to 1.5, that would be math. Let's do some math real quick. Half of that to 40, 6, 7, 10, basically. That'd be up, like up here. All right, now's the time. Let's finish analyzing. I also have a terrible entry. My deal entry, she had to close above, then this little bottom wick tap the top of that. So you get right here. This is 1 to 1.5 right here, which is basically a little over the highs. Here's some 320, not 4 something. Which is why I would still be fine closing that 309 or 319. 319 would be 710. There you get the math right. That's if I got 215. My entry is probably worse. I should be giving no worse entries nowadays, but I can't even lie. No offense to TopStep, but they literally just be giving the worst entries. Alright, so we got potential room to go all the way up here. From 2 structures below, wants to go higher. Let me do some real analysis, or like breakdown analysis rather. Price yesterday came down, broke 1 high, 2 highs, made a sell, 3 structures. Then you have a down, up. That's a reversal pattern on the hourly. This wick, which came from the open, not even news, came from the open, retested and confirmed the reversal pattern, which is, this is a reversal pattern. A double bottom, basically. So now we're showing that we can go back towards buys. I don't even know how I got a second one of these, but we're showing that we can go back to buys. So now, since we confirmed it, I look for entry patterns going towards upside. Now I don't know exactly where we're going to go on the upside. We tap lower than here. We could retest the highs. We could retest right here. But essentially, since I do believe it's buys, I'm looking for buys. What's happening? My jaw's glitched. Oh. I gotta refresh. This is not letting me click anything else. Every time I click something, it stays. Alright, let's see if this still does it. Alright, we're good. To make it more exact, I didn't even touch, but price was fully filled in. Wick above, wick connected. The wicks connected. The only thing that could be scary is this gap below if it really wants to come down lower and test. That will be in a pickle. Now we're looking for another entry right here. Now this, if I wasn't in a trade, could be its own entry in of itself. You have a push higher. Let's see if it's a big 5-minute candle. Big 5-minute candle, 950 to 955. Then we have kind of, then we would need price to push above this, and then we would need a big push up, and then lower. Then both of those structures to get broken, 1, 2, then retest, then push higher. My ideal continuation, this is a continuation strategy. My ideal continuation pattern looks like this. On the big 5-minute candle, if price pushed up like that, but that's like one, let's say 2 5-minute candles, then price comes back below, gives a double bottom below the first higher low, then gives a double bottom. That's, we're golden if that happens. Since I have I also traded Asian, so I have 300 buffer from Asian. Not really a buffer though, because yesterday I did tilt. And I lost way more than I should have lost. So if I lose this first trade, since I'm risking more than I'm supposed to be risking, I'll be losing 169 actually on the account. I only have 700 drawdown left, so I should be taking this as a blessing really. And that's 169. I really want to risk 300 per trade for it to count for real. And also I need to pass by Friday or else I get rebuild. Not that there's anything wrong with getting rebuild. You get a free credit with TopStep. This is 68, so 68.50 times 2. It's about, is this around 70? It's about 140. I would be willing to add another contract, risk 140 plus the 160. That's 300 exactly. So yeah, I'd add one contract here if it gives the pattern that I need. But in order to get the pattern, I need it to break above here, like I said, and close. That's why I drew this zone. And I have purple, it's supposed to be black or gray. 1 minute. 5 minute is purple. 1 minute is gray. Yellow is white. Wait, 1 hour is yellow. I'm just not. And 15-minute is orange. So now that I have that. Let me refresh this too. It's doing the same thing. I'm not sure what's happening. And I need to save this. Save. Then go here. Then go here. It's doing the same thing. Change it to yellow. Save. Oh no, I'm cooked. I'm not sure. I have refresh it again. I really actually don't know what's happening. If it closes above, oh, did it close above? This is the high is 275. The high here, the close is 258. Wait, the high is 257. So I actually could add one contract. I think I'm gonna add one. Buy. Go back here. Add a limit. I add the limit below here. The limit should be below the 5-minute candle really, which is the low is 191.75. It's too much stuff on my screen. Also got a good entry just now. 242, which I was expecting to get 259. 242 is 50. That's 100. I could risk 200. I could really do one more. I'll do one more. All right. Now I can either go for the 1 to 1.5 I had originally, or I can go for the 319, which is the other one. That would put me at recovering the account from yesterday. We're trying to get 1,500 on a day though. Now it looks like I'm gambling now for sure. I'm just doing a lot of calculations in my head. I got a 242 entry. Remember I calculated I would be risking 160. That was with the 60 something risk, but then I ended up getting 242, which is 50. 50 times 2 is 100. 100 times 2 is 200. 200 plus the 160 is 360. It's still a little above the 300 range that I wanted, but it's good enough that I'd be willing to take that loss overall. Yeah, quick maths, or maths in general. I don't know how quick it was, but now 319. If I'm looking at the high time frames, actually Crazy. I don't know if I should be going for 386. Let's just add that. 1 to 1.5 would be up here. 392. I don't know if I need 392. I moved it down a little bit because remember, 1500 is the most you can make in a day. That's 2 continuation patterns. Now, granted, I told you my original TP would have been 3. The ideal entry. Obviously, you don't always get the ideal entry, but you could get something close. Like, let's just say right here. 1 to 1.5. 337. Can't do math. Oh, I made it a little higher. All right, 337. And yeah, you also say like, oh, yo, it's greedy trying to go for 300 and what is this? Continuation pattern, you're supposed to just do nothing. Damn, look at that. Crazy. You're trying to get greedy, go for 390. 390. And if I look on the hourly, it's 390 even a fee. That's what you need to be thinking about. Is 390 even a feasible take profit? 406. Got selling wicks down here at 355. You got the first leg from below here, stopping at 361. Like, yeah, it sounds good. You want to go for that. But sometimes, like, yesterday I was in the sell. I got in for the continuation. It wasn't the worst entry, but it was at the lows of the zone. And I always take it to the body of candles. But I ended up taking it to the wicks because continuation go past it. It actually was around yesterday, Wednesday. Here. Price came to this point right here. I don't even know. I can't remember. All I know is this trade is playing around now. I need to put in my limits. 2 limits. 2 limits at market. No limit. I'm in a buy, so I need a limit. Stop sell. I need 2 of them at 132, and then the actual stop loss was 191. Getting spanked right now. Sheesh. Is this the highs right here? This one? Or maybe it's showing from here. Sheesh. 191, 191. This is it. I think let me just look below. This is 191.75, so stop loss is 190.75, and this is 189.50. So I just make it 195. I'm risking 1,000 on this. That's not good. Mind you, I added 2 contracts, so that's my own fault. I added 2 contracts, which puts me at about 225. The second entry wasn't as good. The second entry was like up here, so that's 71.40. Oh, 250. Wow. Yikes. All right, that's cool though. And that's like weird because I just gotta stay. Oh, let's get ready. Selling oil. What about it? But we'll see. Hey, yes sir. We got people. We got TJ in the chat. We got Justin in the chat. Yes sir. Come on, man. Coolin'. I know the vibes, man. I'm gonna expose your gut, man. I said just. I'm gonna expose you. Let me see what sign so I can respond to the chat. the sun, man. That's good. Yes, sir. Thanks, buddy. Hey, drive safe, man. Wait. Yeah, it's not looking for you. Good for you, boy, man. Shit might get clapped up. But yeah, so just to describe the predicament for y'all that wasn't here earlier, we trying to pass this account by Friday so we don't get rebuild, which is why I'm in so heavy on this account, or like why I took a second entry, even though I was in on the entry down here. So yeah. All right, so first stop loss got hit. Now we just wait. I'll just wait on this one and do nothing, basically. Okay, let's see. It was looking good though. I can't lie. It was up a good amount of points. It was up. What is that? Not even that much. 1.7. Now we just wait. I really should play some chess in the meantime, man. Yeah, nah, this is my that's my streamer account. That's not my name. I mean, technically, it's my nickname, so that counts. And those are his initials. Let's see. All right, I'm making you a moderator. There you go. I might just be cooked for both of these. Can't lie. Back to the drawing board, I suppose. Let's see. Hourly came here. 5-minute retest. Get rid of this. In a minute down here. We got a Discord where we send our trades, basically, just like so we can journal. Like mainly because we be working, so it'll be harder since I'm on here. Trade idea. All right. The last area I was saying that need to get touched was here. This gap that just got touched. So if we push it from here, we still have chance. If not, we just got shebanged. 99. I really want to get on earlier. One, I was supposed to go to the gym. Two, I want to get on earlier because I wanted to start today. And then I'm going to read the Romans. So first I'm going to read Romans for y'all. And then I'm going to play chess and then see what happens. Check a little? Yeah, I got you, man. No problem. Let's see. This is hour 15, 5, 1. Let's open up a new tab. So you can't get greedy either, bro. See, I said that. Seen that second entry. I seen that gold in my eye. Now I just took a loss one whole time. I could have just. It didn't matter. Gold, oil, oil. Futures. Let's add it. I think this is oil. Oh, delayed. What the heck? CO. Okay, I got you. I got you, brother. See, look at that. Take that loss for no reason. But that's why you use limits, man. That is why you use limits. CO. Crude oil. Sorry, there we go. I was about to say, bro, it's no way I have super delete on this and I pay for the package. Price is at 67.76. I'm not sure where you got in, but yeah. But since you said you was in a sell a couple minutes ago, the last 15 minutes is sold down. Now it's this last 5 minute candle is buying. You remember your price? Oh yeah, we like that. You like this, man? It's a crazy wick down. We like that. We don't like this. We definitely do not like whatever this is. for NQ, I'm saying we don't like that. But for oil, we like that. All I know is, bro, even though you don't remember the price, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute candles been selling. So whatever you got in, you got it be in because you said that more than 5 minutes ago. So. Oh, we don't like that. NQ. Yeah. Anyways, just to get that rebuild credit, I might take tomorrow off regardless. Because I think if I take this loss, I'll have one. If I take this loss, I'll have one trade left. So, let me see actually. Yeah, because yesterday I did tilt, man. Yesterday just ruined. I should have took that one loss, but then I was thinking like I gotta pass. So then I took more trades, and I took another trade that I shouldn't have lost, and then I was like, bro, that's how they get you, man. The time constraints on the prop firms. Because before I was just taking my one loss, and it's like whatever happens, F it. But now I'm like, damn, I ain't trying to get rebuild for no reason. And then yeah, it cooked me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna lose this trade. It's all good. I also keep saying that so I could just mentally prepare myself before it happens. So that way, if it happens, it's like, yeah. So if I lose 200, I have 200 drawdown left. Yeah, if I lose 200, I have 200 drawdown left, which is pretty bad. Today, that'll be 2 days of giant losses. Um, Almost in line with what I was saying. The second entry was bad, so it was extra. It's like $60 to $70, which is gonna put me close to 400. But yeah, the account that needs to get rebuilt tomorrow, though, that will have 500 on left, so I could trade once tomorrow, but we'll see. It's just crazy because I didn't see sales. Oil's still selling, bro. Yeah, it's looking good. It keeps spiking up, but then it keeps wicking down crazy. So, not spiking up, but it keeps pushing up and then spiking down to counteract that. Um, just if you wanted to update. Also didn't get to do I didn't get to do a full daily analysis either, so that could also be on me. Not daily analysis, but full analysis. Everything was late. I was trying to work out. I'm trying to get on the charts. Then I seen it, see the buying pressure, see the news, see the open. So you gotta do your full routine, man. Let me see. Let's see if I would have seen something different now that I'm looking at it and I've already accepted I lost. Only thing I see is 2 hourly zones lower. So that's good. 2 hourly zones lower means that if you get here, you get a 5. What's happening? Alright, the automatic drawing tool is on, that's why. The pencil. Yeah, I think it is sells after this analysis, so that's why it's locked. I think it is sells. If I go here and I see a 5-minute reversal pattern, yeah, 5-minute right there, and then a retest. Then I probably got a 1 minute in here to go for sells. Yeah, so that's on me. Alright, closed. Definitely was sells. That's on me, baby. Alright. Well, anyways, we're still regrowing this. Right over here. You win some and you lose some. Gold, oil still selling, bro. Well, it's like 67. Yeah, stop loss hit. Definitely with sales. That's my fault. Anyways, lesson today is don't rush into trading. I saw price moving up, so I just thought I could take it in the moment analysis. But yeah, definitely looking at the hourly. 2 hourly zones made. Price is probably going to come down to 43. And yeah. One-minute reversal pattern can probably take something like this. Take it to 43. It's all good though. 528. X. Trying to get that workout in, man. Could have got my win and I worked out after. That's the real spiel. That's the real spiel. The real spiel is I could have did that. That's all good though. $43. I even use down here. I'm not even sure, man. How was that? Romans 7. Released from the law, bound to Christ. Until it's really. Oh yeah. I don't know if you still can listen, but oil's dropping crazy right now, bro. At least compared to where you said you was in. So you definitely got to be in profit. You definitely had to get in somewhere over here, or even earlier from when you said it. But yeah, it's way lower than when you asked me to check it. So anyways, I work tomorrow, so definitely won't be streaming. Um, yeah, I don't even think I'll be trading tomorrow, but yeah, I work tomorrow, so this is only stream for the week. Last week I had 2 days off, and it was back to back, so that was clutch. But tomorrow, yeah, back to the work grind, man. Back to the work grind. Let's see, 43. I said, man, 43, 48, 47. Close enough. Yes, sir. Let me see again. Yes, sir. I need to. Probably gotta end this soon. Hit the gym, cook. Got to work for tomorrow. Thing about losing, man, is you get to end the day early. But let's see if I can play 1 minute away real quick. Oh, let me see. I like these updates are old. I mean, that's the thing about winning too. Let's see, is it gonna hit 43? That's the target I was saying, man. It was just on me. I didn't do it. Proper analysis. No, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how to go back the moves, but like, I think this guy just started playing because like, I'm not really sure what he's. Oh yeah, boom. Look, see, way past 43. Price is just going down crazy. Oh, that's crazy. Sheesh. I didn't do a proper analysis. That's on me. I don't even know. Yeah. Now, if it was going to turn around for buys, it would come down here. Then you need to get a 15-minute reversal pattern. Then you can take buys back up to 263 because you really make money in either direction. It's just really up to where you're looking for. But these are not 1 minutes. Damn, this one's going dumb right now. Holy crap. Yeah, probably done around here. 15 minutes. I don't even know. It's not even news. It was news at 8:30. I don't even know what's happening. This is crazy. That's a 200 plus drop in 5 minutes. Wow. All right, for what, man? It's been good. Appreciate y'all tuning in. You can check on one more time. It's back up to 67.65. But yeah, all right, y'all. Farewell.